Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday to you all today. So, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing very well. So, I am here again today. Last week, Sunday, we discussed with Igbo guys here in America, and we did ask them questions about why Igbo guys, some Igbo guys are not presently marrying some Igbo girls in America. All right. So some of the guys they give different reasons. Some say the girls don't give them opportunity to talk with them. Some say the girls they have a very high standard because most of them are so self-driven. They don't give the guys opportunity to even come close. And some said, you know what, some of the Igbo girls are like warriors, and like marrying them is like two warriors or two captains in a ship, and they are scared the ship may sink. All right. So today we wanted to balance this discussion by talking to with some Igbo girls. Um, I'm going to share some of the videos about the discussion I had with them. And guess what? What stood out for me, some of them really are passionate to marry Igbo guys, honestly. And that stood out for me really well. Because I was thinking, like, is it that they are not attracted to each other or what? But today, a lot of them I talked with, none said they didn't want to marry Igbo guys. They said, I want to marry Igbo guys. I really want an Igbo husband, an Igbo guy as a husband. And the guy, number one, they said you have to know how to speak Igbo. Mm. Our daughter said you have to know how to speak Igbo before you approach them for marriage because some of them born over here or raised over here, they don't even know how to speak Igbo. All right. So, and they said if the man doesn't know how to speak Igbo, how are we supposed to raise our children? Now, who is going to teach our children how to speak our mother language? Which kind of made sense? So, all the Odogus, I hope you know how to speak Igbo. Ọbụrụkwa ana m anụ anụ ama ama asụ. You can't help matters here. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-anụ anụ ịma ha asụ, hey, aha gị abụrụgokwa ntọ. Because you can't help matters here. Our daughters, some of them don't know how to speak Igbo, and they specifically said the man I'm going to marry must speak Igbo because he will raise our children with that language. All right, which is great. And then some of them said, let's get straight to the gist of the day. I asked them, why do you think Igbo guys don't want to marry Igbo girls over here in America? All right. So one of them said, you know what? These Igbo guys, they get carried away with what they see on social media. Hey, ka abụkwa nke bụ nsogbu. Social media arafụtagokwa mmadụ. Eh? Social media arafụtagokwa ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ. Hmm? So our daughters, they said it is the social media. When these guys will go and look it up and look different stuff going on in social media, they will begin to think that they Igbo girls they are overtrained, they are too decent, they can't do certain things going on in the social media, and they may not want to do certain things being practiced or being shown on the social media, and they may not make a good wife in that direction. Like seriously, hey, ah, biko kwanu, biko kwandi odogu. That one, if you ask me, should not be a problem. Oh, when you marry your wife, you will teach her what you want her to know. If you want her to know the type you have learned from social media, please teach her. That's not enough for you to say you are not going to marry them. They may not know all the social media skills that you have learned over time. So whatever you want your wife to know, teach your wife, and your wife will know. Eh? Ihe a bụ dịka a na-alụ. ọwụ ihe onye ma ọ kụziere ibe ya amarakwa ha agba izu mara nke ka mma. Okay, so another of our daughters said some of these guys they are looking for ladies that are so driven, and some of them are not pushing themselves forward to be as driven as some of the girls. So when you approach a girl that is already, that did put her stuff together, she will expect you to be together as well. And necessarily, it's not that you have all the money on earth, but you have to be that man that can assure her of her security, financial security. Some of them said they want Odogu that will be a provider and a protector. It's not that your wife will not help you. Your wife will help you. But you will be the man in the house. You will be the Odogu in the house, leading, even in resources. So, Otuaka Hawanyi, Otukwasadi. So, our daughters are saying that they are driven. They are so driven. And they want men that are also driven, self-driven. So that both of them can make up and build a very strong family. So this thing is going too fast. Time is going too fast. So I'm just gonna cut it here. So by next week we can continue to talk about most of the things our ladies talked about. So you have to be driven, and again, don't expect too much. All these things happening in social media, some of them are fake. Most of them are fake. Me, I have my master's degree in mass communication. I have been in theater arts for a long time, and all these things are acted out. Some of those clothes, they borrowed them. Those flashy cars you're seeing were all borrowed. And the houses, borrowed houses, just to do movies. So don't rely on what you see on social media. And some of the what you call skills that you see displayed on social media, you can teach your wife. Wife can teach their husband. So, Biko, ndị odogwu anyị, look out for our girls. We've trained them so well for you guys. Don't leave our daughters, our warrior queens, and be looking, elsewhere. Ayana chonke ya. Abami yuno na chon. We have pretty girls. I'll share pictures with you. Pretty girls, well trained, well groomed. Ha ma esi ofe egusi, ofe onugbo, ofe ogbono, ofe okro. Ha na-agwọ ụgba na okporoko, abacha, ofe vegetable, ofe ụra. Nke a ga-akpa aha ya. Ihe a bụ ihe anyị zụchara ha to do for you odogwu. Unu je kpọrọ ndị na-aga agba mbọ echi na-ebewe akwa. Anyị nwa bụ ndị mama ya achọkwa ịnụ akwa by tomorrow. So when I come back, we'll complete this topic. So from me to you, I love you. Let us keep this topic going, and we're going to learn so much. And at the end, we want our doggos go back and make things right. All right? God bless you, and bye for now.